Hey, I'm Cam Pack, and I wanted to show you something cool with Baserow and a tool that you may or may not know. It's called Latenode. So this is a product that I work on. I'm thankful to be able to create, and it's called Faith Tools. Faith Tools is the best place to find apps for Christians. Well, whether you know this or not, the apps, like the database behind this, is Baserow. Baserow is very akin to like an Airtable, but I would say it's Airtable that's so friendly for people who are developers or no code. It's also, I believe it's open source. Let me double check. Open, yep. And you can self-host it if you want, for those who know what that is. Otherwise, if you don't, just know that it's just such a cool tool, and I use it for when I'm building products because, like, truth be told, like, backend database dev it's not something I'm excited about. But when I see Baserow, it's like, wow, it's pretty great. What I want to show you is this. The pricing is just so great. Like, think about it. If you only spend $20 a month and you get 250,000 rows, or let's say you're doing 5, for a lot of people, even the free would just cover it. So I would say very much consider using Baserow. I'll put a link somewhere. So what I want to show you is Baserow plus Latenode and how that combo helps me. So recently, Latenode came out with a Baserow integration, and Latenode is very akin to like a Zapier. So if you think of Zapier, let's go look at it. And you say, here's my steps, do these things. And it's very simple. You say, you can use AI. You can hook it into Airtable, Baserow, all these things. Even like all the Google stuff, which I have yet to scratch the surface. Oh, OpenAI. So what I decided to do was create a flow that allows me to get a row. So these are 2 tools that I actually created myself. I love them. Excited to be able to be part of that. So let's just say this is a Christian meditation tool, and that's what this is. So if you go preview it, it's just very simple. You click it, there's videos. It was so fun building this. And this backend for that tool is in Baserow. And let's say I want the description to be updated, and I want it to be like, hey, a great description, but I don't want to take time to write for every single one. Well, what I can do is I created on Latenode a webhook. The webhook is this, and then when it gets triggered, and all I'm passing to the webhook is an ID of the row. And to get the ID of the row, it's just like right here. And then it will get the row. It will go through Perplexity, which I did some custom code, but they're probably going to create a Perplexity integration anyway. And I just kind of told it like, hey, look up, summarize this, found at this website. Additional information is at extra content. So what I can do is like add even more information in the extra content for soul rest. Let's see. Extra content. Tell me if you see it. Oh, I think it's the anything else. So then I could say tool to help bring together Christian meditation content and from various creators, and then say for free. So now it's got that a little bit extra context, and then it will go update the row. So you hear my child in the background. There's actually a small little bug on the update row that will be fixed soon. So until that's fixed, I just created my own thing to update it. Soon you won't have to do custom JavaScript for these. And Now, this is the cool part. If I want to generate a description, all I did was create, hey, here's the webhook, here's the row, and I want it to generate. So now I can say generate short description. So it's gonna run. It's gonna take it's probably gonna take like 10 seconds. Okay, great. So this is what it created. Great. And that actually is, that's it. So now we go here, and you can see in history, it was updated. So now I can see the short description was updated. I can generate an AI description from Baserow to make it smaller, and then I can preview it. Yep, isn't that crazy? And it's done. And that is the power of like low code, no code tools, where I have this scenario and like it just generates the description. So now I can have like the most up-to-date kind of descriptions on apps. And then what's great is, let's say I want to change something, I can fine tune it. And with Faith Tools, there's a lot of apps on there. And I want to make sure I'm doing due diligence to create and have great content out there and great description of what the app is so that people can find it. This is just one example of using Baserow and Latenode, and it's a blast. So I'm thankful for low code, no code tools like this. And if I do need to add code, I can add code. Latenode, I want to say thank you for adding Baserow integration. Baserow, thank you so much for what you do, allowing, like giving away such a free tier. So check out Baserow, check out Latenode, and check out Faith Tools. Thanks for watching.